Hi, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Gabe Agelan, and today I'm going to do a walkthrough on this trade-in we received. It's a 2019 Chaparral 347SSX. Want to start back here on the aft with this large swim platform. First thing you'll notice is this boat is a stern drive boat. Gives you a lot of ability on what you can do back here with the space. Very wide, and I'd say about 3 feet long here on this platform. You do have a swim ladder incorporated back here. Down below us underneath as well, you'll have underwater lights, which will light the boat up at night really well. Very nice layout back here with this cushion facing aft. Paired up with that, you'll have a shade that'll extend aft to cover from the sun. Step along with me into the cockpit so we can continue this tour. Once you step inside, you're going to be protected under this large hardtop. It does come with shades in case you have too much sun. We'll see that here in Southeast Florida a lot as well. But a nice structure, nice and big. Great L-shaped seating so everybody can be in the conversation. You do have an insert here for a table. To your starboard, you'll notice you'll have a wet bar as well, equipped with a fridge and a trash chute back here. Moving into the helm. Right here, you'll notice you have twin Simrad displays. Great, so you can have your engine data on one, charts on the other. Everybody has different preferences. Here you can plug and play. All your toggle switches. Something very important here is the AC that you'll have on this boat. Joystick piloting makes anybody an excellent captain. Super easy to maneuver around with this boat. It's a 34-foot boat. You'll have control of the entire thing just by using the joystick. Want to show you down below into the cabin. Stepping in here, you'll notice you have microwave, an AC outlet as well. This is a great area if you have a hot sunny day where you can escape with air conditioning. In here you have your wet head, toilet down below underneath here. And then down here you'll have a sofa area where people can lay out. Again, if you have a hot summer day or rain, this is somewhere where you can go and escape the elements, take some time away to recoup. Going into the bow area, you'll notice you take a step down like this because this will protect you. It makes the bow area a little deeper. Really gives you some feeling of protection. You're enclosed in the boat. Table set up right out here. You do have a filler cushion that'll make all this area a sunbed. Up here, you'll notice you have your spotlight as well as stainless steel anchor, which is a windlass, so you won't have to do it yourself. It is automated. This concludes the quick tour of the 347 Chaparral SSX. If you have any more questions, come see us here at MarineMax Miami. Thank you.